13 best finds at IKEA to organize your home. Here are 13 ways to get your house in order with help from some great IKEA small storage solutions, all priced under $20. 1. IKEA cabissel letter tray. File your paperwork. The steel cabissel letter tray features cork-lined shelves that pull out. You buy this thing with only $19.99. 2. Boomerang hanger. Make your hangers uniform. Get rid of all those flimsy wire hangers and upgrade to a uniform wooden set. An 8-pack of Boomerang hangers is just $4.49. 3. IKEAenna Storage Box. Stow away rarely used items. Tuck your yearbooks, old diaries, kids' art, and other nostalgia into a IKEAenna storage box with lid. The price is $9.99, and stow it in the attic. Or keep a few of them out on an open shelf. A row of white boxes is a pleasing look. 4. IKEA Scattis Pegboard Wooden. Organize your tools. The Scattis wood pegboard measures 14 by 22 inches and can help organize any room, kitchen, garage, entry, and beyond. The price is only $9.99. 5. IKEA Groggy Tray. Create a landing pad. All you need is a tray for your keys, sunglasses, and loose change for instant entryway organization. The stainless steel groggy tray is $14.99. 6. IKEA Bjarnum aluminum hooks. Hang up the coats. The industrial-looking Bjarnum aluminum hooks can fold up and out of the way. $9.99 for 3. 7. IKEA Brancus Basket. Corral shoes in a basket. The sturdy brancus basket made of solid wood is surprisingly roomy. The price is only $14.99. 8. IKEA 365 Plus glass jar with lid. Decant dried goods. The 365 Plus glass jar comes with a silicone glass lid for airtight food storage. The price is only $5.99 each. 9. IKEA Nala Bag. Designate a recycling bag. Still using a paper grocery bag as your recycling receptacle? Upgrade ever so slightly to this Nala bag for your recycling needs. The price is $2.99. 10. IKEA Saksborga Jars. Give little items a pretty home. Perfect for bathroom storage, the saksborga jars are a steal. For $14.99, you get 4 jars, 4 cork lids, and a cork tray. 11. IKEA cabissel Desk Organizer. Tidy your desk. The streamlined steel cabissel desk organizer is lined with cork. The price is only $14.99. 12. IKEA ragasar Tray. Compartmentalize your junk. It's okay to have a junk drawer. It's not okay to have a cluttered junk drawer. Stick a ragasar tray into a drawer and presto, you have instant compartments for easy organization. The price is $12.99. 13. IKEA Stuck Box with Compartments. Give the shelves in your closet some structure. The stuck box with compartments can help your stacks of sweaters stay put. The price is only $6.99.